Celebrating Jamaica, celebrating regional friendships from Boukman to Bolivar. That's the theme for Jamaica Day 2015. School Zone was on hand to capture the celebrations. Come look.
Looks like Malcolm and Martin and Marcus and Fiery.
Who made the storms roar and governed the thunders? The Lord is hidden in the heavens, and there he watcheth over us. Hearken unto liberty, that speaketh now in all our hearts.
That was August 14, 1791 in Boukman, Haiti. From that time, we can't change. We give thanks for the friendship between Jamaica and Haiti. We give thanks for Boukman, Wanashaka Zulu people.
Surely unity is what we need to complete our work of regeneration.
Characters representing regional leaders, Boukman from Haiti and Simon Bolivar from Venezuela, who both benefited from Jamaica in accomplishing the liberation of their nations. It was Jamaica Day 2015, and the focus, how we have impacted our regional neighbors.
Simon Bolivar was born in Caracas, Venezuela, who was here in Jamaica in 1815 looking for help to continue the struggle for independence of our countries.
Jamaica has provided a home for people like Bolivar. We have been an inspiration for many like Boukman. We are a people who go many places and carry our distinctive strength that we culture and hone here on Jamaica Day.
This year we want to center ourselves in our Caribbean family. What is it that we have given? Because sometimes we believe that we're only takers, and yet there is so much that we have given to the region in terms of helping other countries.
It's a freedom, freedom, liberation. Freedom, freedom for all Haitian. Freedom, freedom for all nation. A Boukman and a say Jamaica. And when me say man and a say Jamaican.
All across the island, students were schooled on Jamaica's major role in regional integration and geopolitics.
Boukman, for those of you who did not know, was a slave here in Jamaica that was sold by his owners to Haiti because he was accused of teaching other slaves to read. But that was not the end of the story, because if you recall that in 1804, Haiti became the first independent black nation in the world, and that independence was led by Boukman.
But no matter what they do, no matter what they say, all I got the children have and beg.
You're a soldier, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle.
And at all the schools School Zone visited, there were exhibitions and displays on how we have given, from our close neighbors Cuba to our friends in Panama, where many Jamaicans were instrumental in building the Panama Canal.
Jamaica Day has grown into an annual celebration of our culture, people, and achievements.
And that was apparent as displays of old-time Jamaica enlightened the younger minds, while for others, it was the sheer spirit of the vibrant Jamaican people which grabbed their attention. Yes, Norman Manley High sure had a lot to share. And with their rich history of being named after one of independent Jamaica's founding fathers and a national hero, the school has been rising in prominence in recent years and attesting to positive gains.
Our last CSEC exams, we were very proud to announce that We got 9 grade 1s in mathematics for the first time. Yes, with 92 passes, and we got 106 English passes. So we are moving up. We're teaching students to have pride in country, pride in school, civic pride we're talking about, to be loyal, to be honest.
From riverside to mountain, from cane field to the sea, our hearts salute Jamaica, triumphant, proud and free.
Wasn't Jamaica Day good, guys?
It was awesome. I had fun.
It's shot. So I'm sure we had fun. It was wonderful learning about our rich historical ties with our regional neighbors. For School Zone today, I'm Sandrea Clarke. Until next time, walk good.
Looks like Malcolm and Martin and Marcus and Fire.